Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Katurade. My roll number is 25159. My topic is about Vijay Govindarajan. So, who is Vijay Govindarajan? Vijay Govindarajan, often known as VG, is an internationally acclaimed management expert and professor. He earned his MBA from Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad, and later became a faculty member at Tuck School of Business at Dartmouth College, where he spent over 2 decades shaping the next generation of business leaders and innovators. His academic journey involved into a prominent consulting practice advising Fortune 500 companies on strategy and transforming. VG's research and frameworks have influenced how leading organizations approach competitive strategy, making him one of the most critic business thinkers globally. So now I am going to explain about the three box solution, a strategy framework for organizational innovation. Vijay Govindarajan's seminal framework divides organizational focus into three distinct boxes, each demanding different management approaches. The first box is manage the present. The second box is selectively forgot, and third box is create the future. So now I am going to explain about box number 1, manage the present. The manage the present tells us about optimize current business operations, maximize profitability, and defend market share through continuous improvement and optional excellence. Box number 2, selectively forget. Deliberately abandon outdated practices, products, and assumptions that no longer serve the organization's future vision. Box number 3, create the future. Invest in breakthrough innovations and new business models that will drive growth and relevance in emerging markets. Now I am going to explain about leading innovation, transforming businesses, strategy, and competitive advantage. First one is strategic clarity. It tells us about organization must articulate a clear innovation strategy that aligns all stakeholders around a shared vision of future competitive positioning. Second one is structural separation. It tells us about innovation units required independence from legacy operations with distinct governance metrics and resource allocation to foster breakthrough thinking. Third one is leadership commitment. Executive leaders must actively champion innovation, allocate substantial resources, and model that behavioral changes required for cultural transformation. Next topic is reverse innovation, creating solutions for emerging markets. One of Vijay Govindarajan's most transformative concept, reverse innovation, challenges the traditional assumption that innovations flow from developed markets to emerging ones. The first one is traditional model and second one is reverse innovation. The key insights are companies like GE discovered that affordable simple innovations developed for India and China could capture massive markets globally, creating entirely new revenue streams and competitive advantages. Key concepts and theories. Vijay Govindarajan's foundational ideas on innovation. The first one is ambidexterity. Organizations must simultaneously excel at exploiting existing businesses while exploring new growth opportunities, a delicate balance requiring dual organizational capabilities. Second one is innovation capital. Companies must invest in building the capabilities, talent, and infrastructure needed to generate substantial innovation rather than relying on sporadic breakthrough movements. Third one is global footprint. It involves the increasingly happens at leveraging diverse talent, customers, insights, and resources across global operations to fuel breakthrough thinking. And now I am going to tell you about critical perspectives. Debates surrounding Govindarajan's work. First one is praise and adoption. His frameworks are widely embraced by leading organizations seeking structured approaches to innovation. The three-box model provides clarity and practical implementations guidance that resonates across industries and geographies. Second one is constructive critique. Some scholars argue his model is oversimplify complex organizational dynamics and may not account for industry specific nouns. So, how can we apply these insights? The first step is assess your current state. How your organization currently balances box 1, 2, 3 activities, identify gaps and innovation potential. Second one is build your strategy. Develop a clear, structured innovation strategy aligned with Vijay Govindarajan's frameworks, define resource allocations and governance models. And that's all about Vijay Govindarajan. Thank you everyone for your time.